I studied in Odisha, right? And it was weird. I was terrible at school. I was terrible at math, right? And I don't like people who are good at math generally. कोई है ऐसा IIT का इधर आदमी? You're from IIT, sir? Do you know your school friends hate you? Do you know that? I mean, they're waiting for you to die so they can remove you from the WhatsApp group. I like some teachers in school. Like I like the English teacher, you know, because somehow in India, English teachers are always beautiful and kind. Have you noticed that? Their names are like Rosie Miss, Susie Miss. And they will never hit you. Their issues are very like 19th century gentleman issues. They'll be like, Hriday, don't talk, be a gentleman. Tuck your shirt in. And they'll never beat you. They'll be like, Hriday, if you talk, I'll call PT sir. Because PT sir is a paid mercenary. He's fucking Chris Gale. He just enters a class, hits students and fucks off. Like that's his job. But any guesses which was my least favorite teacher in school? Yeah. No, Hindi, I didn't have, I had Sanskrit, so that's a different ball game. But maths, yeah, maths, it was, because see, maths teachers are the opposite of English teachers, right? English teachers are beautiful and kind. Maths teachers are ugly and cruel. Have you noticed that? Terrible, like, terrible. Like if you're a guy, you want to go to toilet in maths class, he'll never let you go. If you have to go to toilet, you have to plead with him like your father took a loan and didn't repay it. Like, sir, please, sir, come on, sir, my fixed deposit, sir, my sister's marriage, sir, next year, he'll break the deposit. If you're a girl, you can go. Never understood that. Like if there is a girl, right, Pooja, and she has to go to the washroom, she just has to stand up. Teacher will look at her, nod and say, Neha, take Pooja and go. If you're a guy, you have to pee 2 drops in your pant. Otherwise, they don't believe you. That's why when Indian guys leave school, they pee wherever the fuck they want. They don't give a shit. They're like 2 1s are 2 2 2s are. And the thing with maths is if you're bad at maths, they always try to make it better for you, simpler, you know. Have you noticed that? Like they introduced a concept to me called Vedic maths. And I thought, see, I suck at normal maths. Maybe this is my niche. But the thing is, Vedic maths is like homeopathy. You can't give it in normal class. You have to give it in like extra class, special class, right? So I go to do Vedic maths, and the teacher writes the problem on the board, right? He's like 524 into 108. I'm like, okay, let's do this. Then he says, okay, all right. Take the top digit of the top number, multiply it with the middle digit of the lower number, then divide the sum by the left digit of the top. I'm like, what the fuck? This is not Vedic maths. Vedic maths aisa hona chahiye. I see a problem, Om Burbaswa, boom, the answer comes. That is Vedic maths. This is complicated. It's Upanishad maths. It's hated it. Always try to make it interesting. Remember, they give you a geometry box. You remember the geometry box? Has something called protractor. You remember the protractor? Protractor has all angles clearly mentioned, 10, 20, 30, 40 till 180. But no. Draw 60 degree with compass. तो बेंचो दिया क्यों? नहीं देते. एक चिट डालते थे. Hey dumb fuck, we are not giving you a protractor. Draw 60 degree with compass. Compass के साइड में एक चीज nobody knows what the fuck it's used for called divider. उसका काम है बस आगे वाले के पिछाड़े में घुसाओ. पूरा क्लास मिल के हंसता है कि वाह डिवाइडर बन गया यूनाइटर. Hated maths, man. They always try to make maths problems personal. You remember that? It's always they'll add a human element to a maths problem. Like a typical maths problem, right? This is how its structure will be. The first half is very happy, right? Like a Karan Johar movie. The second half suddenly becomes intense, like an Anurag Kashyap movie. Right? I'll give you an example, right? This is how a maths problem starts. It'll be like, hi, my name is Suresh. Yesterday, my wife gave birth to a son. And I'm an emotional guy. I'm like, congrats, Suresh. I'm happy for you. What the fuck do I do? Suddenly it turns dark. It's like, hi, my name is Suresh. Yesterday, my wife gave birth to a son. In 5 years, my age is 5x my son says. In 10 years, what's my age? I'm like, Suresh, तेरी शादी हो चुकी, तेरा बच्चा पैदा हुआ कल. Shouldn't you be knowing your own age? Did you get any dowry? Or the other kind of problems that I really hated, right? Really hated. Is these kind of problems called upstream problems, downstream problems. Remember that shit? It's terrible, man. It's like soul scarring stuff. That will also have the human element, right? It will be like, hi, my name is Sunil. I'm like, Sunil, fuck off. I put my faith in Suresh. But it'll also be like, hi, my name is Sunil. I have a boat. I'm like, Sunil, Hyderabad does not have a river. You have a boat, your life is great, what the fuck can I do? Suddenly it turns dark, right? Like, hi, my name is Sunil, I have a boat. Yesterday I was going downstream at 57 kilometers per hour, the wind is blowing upstream at 13 kilometers per hour. How much time will it take for me to go upstream at 15 kilometers per hour? I'm like, dude, Ola.